Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. This video is all about you. Are you committed to real estate? Are you committed to making a difference? Are you committed to doing the work that you need to do? So often in life, people want a business, people want success, people want to be free from the daily grind, that 9-to-5 job. But are you willing to do what it takes? Are you willing to make the commitment? Are you willing to make even the sacrifice to do the work? If you're willing to make that commitment, if you're willing to make that sacrifice, could you possibly change your life? I'm telling you, you can. As I travel all over the United States, coast to coast, East Coast, West Coast, even Alaska and here in Hawaii, I meet people all over that are tired of their daily grind. They're tired of work. They're tired of the 9-to-5. They want something different. They want something better. They're willing to do what it takes, and they take the plunge. I love doing real estate consulting with people. I work with big groups. I work with people one-on-one, and I think I help change lives. A lot of times the best compliment is referrals. The best compliment is thank you, tears in their eyes, give me a hug, thank you for changing their life. And I always feel good about helping people become what they know they can become, what's deep inside of them. And I love being out there helping people and having others to make money and change their life. So feel free to reach out to me, send me an email. If you're interested in real estate, you want to learn, I do consulting all over. I'd be willing to help, but like I say, is it worth the time, effort, money, and commitment? Only you can make that decision. So go make your life different, make it better, make your dreams a reality. Take care, aloha, believe and achieve, bye-bye.